Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title down below, this is a really exciting announcement video. Unfortunately, I had wanted to announce this a lot sooner than I am right now, but I mean 2020 is crazy for everyone, but it just decided to just really throw me a curveball. So unfortunately, among other things, I actually had surgery 2 weeks ago on my mouth, and I thought you guys wouldn't really want to see me announce this while my face was massively swollen and I was covered in yellow bruises and I was not all there. So we're announcing it today, and I am so excited to tell you guys that I made a book, like an actual book, like a physical on Amazon actual book. Oh my god, I still honestly can't really get over this. So I actually got this first copy. I first saw this in the beginning of October, so I'm just going to put in that clip here to see, so you guys can see me kind of losing my mind over the fact that like this exists in the world. So run the clip. Something very exciting has arrived today. This is my book. This is the first physical copy of my book that I've ever seen. I just opened it and saw it, was like, oh my god, I need to film my reaction. So this is my reaction to seeing my book for the first time. So, oh, I just can't get it out. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's my name. That's my name right there. Oh my god, that's me. I mean, don't look like that right now, but oh, this is so cute. I'm an author! So as you can tell from that clip, I'm just a little bit excited for this book to exist in the world, and I'm still a little bit shocked that it does. But it is going to launch on the 2nd of December. You can pre-order it right now on Amazon and on the Search Press website, and I'll leave all of the information and the links as to where you can pre-order it in the description down below. I am just so excited about this. So just a little bit of backstory as to how this book came to be. This is published by Search Press, which are a UK craft publishers, and I actually did my work experience with them 8 years ago. So if you're not from the UK and you don't know what that is, work experience is basically like a week of you're basically like an unpaid intern for like a week, and you do it while you're at school, and it's basically just to get a feel for maybe the career you want to be in an office space, just to, you know, just to get some experience, as it says, and it's meant to help you get a job and all this stuff. So I ended up doing mine with Search Press, who I absolutely love, and I loved the experience. So I did that for a week. I absolutely loved it, and they invited me back to like help out with, I think it was the summer like author party, which is crazy because I would be invited, COVID willing. So yeah, and then also, if you recognize these videos, if you've been around that long, I also sort of promoted their books and we collaborated on some videos and stuff. So I've just sort of like for the last like 8 or so years, I've just kept in contact with them, asked them how they are, what they're launching, all that good stuff. Because like I said, I love the team so much. And yeah, I think I did that. I sent my casual "how is everyone" email last year, probably about this time last year. And they replied, and then it was followed up from an editor asking me if I wanted to make a book. And I was like, I'm sorry, could you just repeat that one more time? And this now exists. I mean, when I did my work experience, I was probably like 16 or 17, and at the time I was obviously like, oh my god, wouldn't it be so cool? And obviously I introduced myself and my crafts and my YouTube, and obviously so they knew about it, which is why they asked me to work with them on YouTube videos and stuff. And I was like, oh my god, wouldn't it be so cool? But I was obviously way too young to be publishing a book. But guys, is this what manifestation looks like? 8 years later, I have a book, which is just crazy. So yeah, that's sort of how this came about and who it's published by, and I'm just so thrilled, obviously. This book is actually part of their 20 to Craft series, 20 to Make, 20 to Craft series, which is basically like a series of books that are really small, easy to follow, they're absolutely amazing price, and it basically has 20 things to make. It has a short introduction in the front and the back with some information obviously about what you need to know about the medium and things, so a little bit of information, and then it has 20 different projects. There's a little sneak peek. I just think this would be such a great book for Christmas. It would fit in a stocking. It's just brilliant for beginners, but if you're not a beginner and you know a bit about clay, as I said, all of these projects are exclusive to this book, so they're not going to be on my YouTube channel. oh guys, I can't talk enough about this book. And before I get carried away and I just start rambling, I also wanted to just thank you guys so much. So there is an acknowledgement at the back of this book, but I also would just like to talk on it a bit here because I have more time here. I would just like to thank every single person who has ever supported me on this channel, on my Instagram, my shop, showed me any kind of love with my crafts, because this would not happen without people like you. I've had some crazy opportunities because of my online presence and my crafting, but this might just top it because I'm so proud of this, and it would not happen without the crafting community, who are just the most loving and kind and supportive community ever. And yeah, like I said, there's an acknowledgement in the back of this book for you guys, but I just wanted to say it right now. Like, thank you so much, because as I said, I've been doing this for like 10 years, and some of you have been around since the beginning and will have recognized some of those clips that I showed. And yeah, I'm just, oh God, I'm getting a bit speechless now. So yeah, this is my book. It is out on the 2nd of December. I will leave the links. It retails for $4.99, and let me know what you think, and if you're excited, and if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments down below and I will answer them all for you. So yeah, I'm gonna stop because I'm rambling and I'm getting passionate and emotional. So I love you guys so much, and thank you so much, Search Press, for the opportunity, obviously. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.